G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Mick from Harley Diaries. Anyway, we're off to Harley Heaven today with Reggie and Jace. Just going to have a bit of a look down there, seeing the financial year down there. So you know, we're just going to have a look, go for a burn, just hang out. We've got the Lowrider, Road Glide and Reggie's Breakout. I'm going to be launching hoodies shortly. I'm going to be starting all the pre-sales on that. We're going to have two designs. We're going to have the all-rounder in the hoodie, and we're going to have a new design I come up with as well. It's just black and orange, and the pre-sales and all that for the hoodies because it is winter, stuff like that. But yeah, hope you like all the vlog, and yeah, just the cruise and the banner and everything that goes with it. Again, big shout out, massive shout out to my new subscribers. Keep watching, everyone loves my channel. If this is your first time at the channel, welcome to Harley Diaries. My name's Mick, and yeah, hope you like all the content. So yeah, enjoy the video guys. We'll talk soon. Say hello to the viewers, man.
Hello viewers, how are you going?
Yeah, good. You know who this guy is? No. Hey, you got to do the cheeky gold tooth too.
Huh?
I said you got to, yeah. So we got old Jason here. Hey Jason, how you going, mate?
Right.
Yeah, how's your placenta, mate?
Your placenta?
Yeah, or have you been doing your Kegels or?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's the shark demon going in the front of your bike, man? You like it? The shark demon headlights are bright as shit, aren't they?
Are they?
Yeah.
I can't see them from front on.
I like him. Yeah. Yeah, mate.
I was just fucking pointing out and over the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right, we're not doing anything wrong.
No, it's fucking be interesting to see whether it comes up for me.
Nice. Nice looking breakout. Say hello, Skylar. Say hello, viewers. How are you?
So hi viewers.
All right, away we go. Go in. Look at the sexy bikes. Alright. Hey, sick! Good. Fuck yeah! Yeah, fucking Commodore, that's mad! Yeah. Yeah, maybe you took us like 20 minutes fucking like further, man. Yeah, you fucking did.
We didn't enjoy the ride and stuff?
Yeah, I like riding my bike. I like riding my bike.
Shut up!
I like riding my bike, bro.
You know,
Go and have a look at the Speedmaster.
The Speedmaster,
That's
the
parked
Triumph.
at Harley Heaven in Penrith.
Oh, yes. But you wanted me to address something that you don't hate Harleys.
I don't hate Harleys.
Yep,
I
so
don't hate Harleys.
hang on.
What's this? Is this your wanking glove that you put?
Bro, no, because I can put it anywhere I want, man. I can put it anywhere I want. So he doesn't hate Harley, he just dislikes them. And
No.
yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, no,
I
he
don't
hates
dislike
Harleys.
he doesn't
them.
hate
I
Harleys, he
prefer
dislikes his Triumphs,
Triumphs.
that's all.
Yeah, he likes his Triumphs.
Just prefer Triumphs, but I'd buy an Indian if I had the money
But why not a Harley?
because they're overpriced and overrated.
So he doesn't hate Harleys, so stop giving him shit. Yeah, no, you can give him shit because he does hate Harleys. Fuck him.
What were you saying earlier?
Harley Diaries, Mick Benson, full of shit.
You hate Harleys. How you going, Shorty? You guys say hello to Harley Diaries, all the viewers, mate.
Up the Harleys.
Up the Harleys.
Hey,
Eh?
shitboxes.
Well, there's not much happening here, guys, but we still came to Harley Heaven. Had a bit of a look. Oh, fuck, where's that breakout inside? Is it Reg?
Oh, well, that's it. It was advertised on the Harley Heaven Penrith site.
Yeah,
You know, like, not as nice as my breakout.
I know. You're pristine, mate.
No,
Still expressions of interest, guys. It's 2016 breakout. Oh, Reg, I'm gonna have to do a short with your bike and then put it up. Yeah. Nice. Got the Reinhardts on it. Shorty's bike. Beautiful. Nice. There you go, Mike. I'm putting your bike on the camera, mate. Yeah.
Harley
What do you-
hater.
Yeah, no, he's Harley hater, isn't he, Shorty? Yeah.
Harley hater.
You need to see that one.
I don't hate Harley.
Yeah, everyone loves you, mate. Everyone loves you. Everyone knows, man. Everyone knows.
They fucking do if you keep telling them bullshit.
The 6% Woodstock, 6%. Yeah, the coffee. The 6% Woodstock's a Mickey Mouse, man.
Mate, 6% Jim Beam's are fucking Mickey
Yeah.
Mouse. Get yourself a bottle and pour it yourself.
Nah.
Better than that 6% bullshit. Yeah, bottle of wild turkey red.
So this is why everything I do just rags on it. So, hates Harleys, hates fucking bourbons.
No,
See you later, Mike.
See you, bro. Fair, mate. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.
What's that
Stay
again?
safe. Keep the shiny side up.
Yep.
Triumphs rule.
All right, see you, Mike.
That's exactly what the other one's like, except it's got fairings down here as well to protect your legs.
That Road King's fat as, Reg.
Huh?
That Road King's fat as.
Which one?
This one. Yeah.
But it defeats the purpose
Yeah, I know.
for what I'm looking at.
Nice. Look at all these cracker bikes and
Is it kind of like this one that they got?
nice. Buddy galore. What are you doing, Jace?
No.
We all know Rod, don't we? Hey, Rod.
How are you, mate?
Yeah, good, bro.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jace? What do you want to buy
I'm just
now?
grooming him.
Yeah? It's gorgeous. Look at that. Like Jace, like street ride.
Yeah. There must be something to do with the clearance and that there.
What a new style. Beautiful. Don't know how I feel about olive green, but olive. Yeah. No, but everyone will take each to their own, really. You know. Beautiful. Just filming some of your stock, Jimmy. Look at that. That's mad. Okay.
That's what's is it any work in that?
Hey, we're looking at my nose hairs.
Get out, a dickhead.
That probably that 110's probably gonna go.
Hey, Reggie.
Hey?
Hey, Reggie.
See you, mate. See you later, viewers.
If anyone's interested,
Huh?
if anyone's interested, hit me up. Beautiful.
It looks good, mate, yeah.
Might be doing this to mine now. Fucking, what do you have to show me this for now, bro?
Because I like it.
Yeah, no, because now I want to do this now.
I like it, mate.
That's sick, man.
It's good, eh?
I-
Look, it's an Apple CarPlay Android, and what you do is this is a you can buy
Yeah,
them
I do that.
you can buy them online.
Amazon?
Mate, it's a 3D printed plastic insert that just goes in there
For
and
this
it
bike?
mounts in there, and you can just Bluetooth. You can just full CarPlay it.
Yeah, we're doing that, I think. No, but I put the biggest speedo on mine. And he's got 6.5.
Where's
mate.
his speakers?
Don't have speakers.
Yeah.
Bluetooth.
What comes out of that?
So he can like waze it,
Oh, yeah.
but it runs through his headset on his helmet. Do you
It's
know what I
like
mean?
white pearl.
Yeah.
Yep.
Onyx Pearl, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But that's
That's nice, eh?
yeah.
Different.
See, on my bike, I've plugged in the mead horn.
Anything
Like
up to a
that.
24.
Someone's done a good colour
And then
match
go
on
out.
it.
That bog rear end.
Someone's done a good colour match on it.
Like
on
that.
guard.
That's mad.
What was that?
You, Mick, are you going to let me take some bikes for runs, are you?
Always, bro.
Yeah, we're going to put them on the channel and shit, eh? You, but you have to come.
I'm coming.
Yeah, sweet.
I'm always riding with you.
Nice, nice.
How are you,
So
bro?
that's
You
what's
good?
happening soon. test rides.
People are going to buy it, but they don't know how to put it on, do they?
No, how can I don't know how to put it on?
Well, they just don't. Not everyone
This
does.
is Jay's custom cycles.
Look at this, man.
That's sick.
Watch this. What do you want, man? Oh, what flames? Cool. What colour do you want?
Yep.
Like, seriously. Just next level shit, man. What's, like, even here. Like, what colour?
I
Like,
like
look at
when
this.
you're-
Sitting here, look, what colour do you want? Let's go that.
that's
Look at that. You know what I mean?
Awesome. Well, that was a little bit of a Harley-Davidson visit. Not much of a vlog, but yeah, here's what it is. So soon, just talking to Mick, he's gonna let me start taking bikes for test rides, and I'll start doing reviews on all them and that. So yeah, no, that'd be excellent. I might do a fat boy for the first one, since I was always banging on about trading me lowrider for a fat boy, but yeah, no, I might do a fat boy, but yeah. Anyway, as I said before, guys, hoodies coming shortly. Going to put the pre-sales up for that, and yeah, we're going to have a couple of designs as I'm wearing a hoodie now, but sort of change up the size. So it's got the Harley Diaries written down there. I don't know what design I'm going to have on the back yet. Probably the all-rounder, but the other design I got is, it's all orange, like black hoodie. It's got Harley Diaries Moments and Memories, because yeah, if you don't take the moment, you don't get the memory. So yeah, Moments and Memories, and on the back it's just got Harley Diaries with skulls and that. So excellent. Well guys, well hope you like the video, and yeah, catch us on the next one. See ya.